Hello again, welcome. My name is Dr. Zia. In this lecture series of strategic planning and management, I'm going to talk about strategic analysis tools. In my previous lecture, I was talking about SWOT analysis. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about PEST analysis. What is PEST analysis? PEST analysis is a scan of environmental macro environment, means scanning the external macro environment in which an organization exists. It is useful tool for understanding the political, economic, socio-cultural and technological environment that an organization operates in. Remember, it can be used for evaluating market growth or decline, and as such the position, potential and direction for a business. So it is a sort of important or very effective tool. Let's go a little bit in detail to talk about its factors. So PEST stands for political, economic, and so on and so forth. Let's talk about the political factor first. So the political factors to be scanned, these include government regulations such as employment laws, environmental regulations, and tax policies. They all include in political factors to be scanned for the organization. Other political factors may be trade restrictions and maybe to some extent what we call the political stability that also comes in play. The second important aspect to be scanned in PEST analysis is economic factors. In economic factors, these affect the cost of capital and purchasing power of a business, of an organization, of you. Economic factors may include various factors. I can just name few of them: economic growth, interest rates, inflation, and currency exchange rates. So these could be scanned for economic factors, which is important. When I talk about the social factors, the third factor is called social factors. These impact the customers or the consumers' needs and the potential market size of an organization's goods and services. What do I mean is the social factors include population growth, age, demographics, and attitude towards health or lifestyle. So these all include social factors. These must be scanned before moving further for strategy formulation. And the final factors could be technological factors. Technological factors include influence, barriers to entry, make or buy decisions, and investment in innovation such as automatization, investment incentives, and the rate of technological change. So, how much it would cost if the technology changes. So, we covered the PEST analysis here. Now, at the end, PEST analysis, let me tell you, the PEST factors can be classified as opportunities or threats in a SWOT analysis. It is often useful to complete PEST analysis before completing the SWOT analysis. That is important tip of this lecture. Most of the times people conduct SWOT analysis and then go for PEST analysis, but it is recommended to do PEST analysis before completing the SWOT analysis. That is important. There is a reason for it. It is also worth nothing that the four paradigms of PEST vary in significance depending on the type of business. For example, social factors are more obvious, relevant to consumers' business, or what I call B2B business near the consumer end of the supply chain. Conversely, political factors are more obviously relevant to a defense contractor or aerospace manufacturer or flying what we call in air travel organizations. So they vary from organization to organization, and as priorities vary. In this lecture, we covered PEST analysis. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. Please subscribe and share and like. See you in my next lecture.